what is cross-production and do you agree to it? If you are a defendant in a criminal case in federal court, and this typically happens in federal court and not in state court, you have the right to get a copy of the materials that are on your electronic device. So if they seize your cell phone, the agents and the AUSA will have a copy of your cell phone contents, and you are entitled to get your own copy. If you have a co-defendant, you are not entitled to your co-defendant stuff in their phone. They have an expectation of privacy unless you agree to what's called cross-production, meaning you get their stuff, they get your stuff, and all the attorneys and all the clients, if the clients are part of this, get to look through everyone else's device. And people sometimes do not consent to cross-production because they are embarrassed of some of the private and sensitive videos that they have on their phone. And they're like, I don't want you seeing what I do with my spouse. Sorry. Sometimes clients don't consent to cross-production. A lot of the times, the clients don't consent to cross-production because they do not want anyone else seeing what else is on their phone. And it's common, it happens. You still get the relevant materials on your case, but it is the prosecutor and the agents that determine what is relevant material, what is responsive material. There's not a lot of oversight as to the decision that they're making. There's not a lot of oversight as to what they're identifying and what they're not identifying because the attorneys are not involved in this process. And so if you're thinking, do I consent to cross-production or do I not consent to cross-production? The question that you must ask yourself is this: does the benefit of having other attorneys look at my stuff outweigh the embarrassment that I would have if I know that they could see what was on my phone? And if the answer is yeah, the benefit outweighs whatever, embarrassment I would have, go ahead and consent to cross-production. And if it doesn't, don't consent, but talk to your attorney, tell your attorney what your concerns are, and then make your decision from there.